Okay, so Vian Troskan der is the furniture was expensive. Okay, dear is expensive. Okay, kind of going along with this. Given that expensive things are not good, what do you think? How do you think you say inexpensive? Seer. Seer is inexpensive. Dear is expensive.
So rich is good, but expensive is bad.
Can't be rich. That's how they got.
That's wealthy and that's inexpensive. Yeah. You want to be wealthy and you want to buy inexpensive and you want things to be inexpensive. Okay.
Just making sure I had that right.
Okay. Okay. I guess Rachpa is you would go. Okay. Rachpa is you would go. Okay. It's a very irregular word in Irish. Rachpa. So to say I went, hui me. Hui. So that's the same word. Hui me is I went. I go is now the chain me. Okay? Or you can say chain. Yeah. Chan me or cham is I go. And I will go. Rachime. Okay. And actually, wait a minute. There's no. Yeah, that's right. Okay, and then
And you're just saying Rocky?
yeah, Rocky. Yeah. Rocking is I would go. I would go.
I-H-N? F-A-I-H-N?
Sorry, and then rocking. And you would go is rachfa.
Okay, I would say will go, and then what's the last one? Would go?
You would go.
Would go.
I would go, you would go. So rachfa, you would go. Okay. Rachpa, go bail namrog, so the top of your shoes, literally the mouth of your shoes. Okay. And vrog is the shoe. Nabroga are the shoes, and bail namrog is the mouth of the shoes. Okay, so you would go to the mouth of the shoes or the top of your shoes. So the carpet rivna in the deep carpets. Okay, carpet is carpet, and down is deep. So in the deep carpets, sacharped down. You have sacharped down. But in the deep carpets becomes snakarpej rivna. Rivna. Yeah. Snakarpej rivna. Okay. So two things happen. First of all, several things happen actually. Sa means in the. Sna means in the when you have more than one thing. Sa aspirates carped, so it's carped. Sna does not aspirate, so it's snakarpej. The plural of carped is carpage, okay? And dawen means deep for one thing. Divna means deep for more than one thing, and it gets aspirated, okay? So a lot of things, okay, change on that one when you want to say in the deep carpets. Sna carpage rivna, okay? Now what is that?
Is that?
Rivna, yeah. Okay. All right. If you want to put some water on, we'll put a break on.
That I know.
No. Okay.
Sounds too much like it.
It does.
Okay. So Vian Proskandir, okay. So Vian Proskandir, agus Rachfa go bail namrog,
Agus Rachpa go bail namrog,
sna carpage rivna. Okay.
Are you saying with a V or just an M?
Rivna with a V. Rivna. Okay. And we'll do this one more and then we'll take a break. So given you probably learned your Polish in chat, I don't think I want to know what it is. Okay. So And she says, Si a hashka agus lig de ski, a dirt kira lesh de glor being ishal. So, si, sit, okay? Or si, she is sit down, right? A hashka, it's like deer. Basically means treasure. And there's a few other words like a store also means treasure, okay? Hashka. Okay, I guess lig de ski. Lig de ski means relax. Let your ski, whatever it is, okay? So lig de ski, relax, you want to learn that as an expression. If you want to say I relax, you say lig me mishki. Okay? So he me she, so I guess lig me mishki. So I sat down and I relaxed. Or nil me achig ligin to mishki. I'm only relaxing. I'm not. No, when you let it go, you relax. So, okay. So you figure out what it is, and you're set. Okay. So si a hashki agus ligdishki a dirt kira lesh. So said Kira to him. In Irish you say said Kira with him. Geall being isho with a voice sweet low. Okay.
Which
you
word is which?
Okay, the je literally means from, so you can maybe like you say from a voice in Irish. Je glor. Glor is a voice. Bing is sweet, not for food but for like sounds. Okay? And the glor being is an expression you hear a lot. It means that's your sweet voice or something. Glor being. Ishal is low. Ishal. Okay? Alright. So we'll
Does
read.
that refer only to pitch?
Ishal is also for height, yeah.
So you could tell someone they're short by saying they're low.
Yeah, you say Tasha Ishal, he's short, right? Okay, so si a hashke agus lig de ski. A dirt kira lesh the glor being Ishal. Okay, I'm just going to read the Irish parts of what we've done so far and then we'll take a break. So, Nor a hogshi kura erash huna harasan do, glakshi lesh gufunwer. Dagshe slán a chumpáni, ligar nar hogshe sméja is a good righteous grace de fujara, agus throrí amachi go dí an aitin a revan Porsche parkalche ege. Vi a harsan sitje deach ard merga I gentar an savargin chahar. Vi an troscan deir agus rachfa go béal na mrogs na carpéid givna. Si a hashke agus lig de ski a dirt kira lesh de glor being ishal. Okay, vi ach sos again in this. Ligagi were ski, so let your ski. Okay?